Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to tell acrylic painting, and that is sunrise scene, and it's very colorful and beautiful. And this picture is I took from Pinterest. I like this very much because of colorful sky. I am doing this on canvas board that is 12 by 14 inch, and I am using right now cobalt blue. And first I am giving first wash for sky and ground part. You can change the color for base tone. You don't need to worry. You can take different color also. I usually prefer the color which are already in the background area, because on top of this we are going to use colors, so there is nothing to worry if you are using any other color. If you don't have cobalt blue, there is nothing to worry. You can use Persian blue, you can use ultramarine blue. There's nothing like that. Now I am taking white, orange, gamboge yellow, lemon yellow, crimson, scarlet red for clouds, sky part, and this is very colorful. So I will use sponge and brush both for that, to give that colorful effect. First top part is blue, so I am using cobalt blue and I am mixing little bit white in that. And I am using my brush with dab effect. I am not using it in a flat way. And right now I am using orange and white mix. This is orange and white mix. Now I am taking sponge to give clouds effect, nice cloud effect. So I am using white. Sometimes I am using white more, yellow more, and scarlet and orange mix. This is like crimson and blue mix. So you need to don't take raw colors. You can mix some colors, whatever is in your palette. And sky is all colorful. A lot of clouds are there, and in between you need to use dark colors also to show some depth. Don't use all the colors light or all the colors dark, then otherwise it will not look good. Right now I'm using white color, and I will give this white color second layer also, because it should be pure white. So because my colors are wet, so right now whatever white I will do, it will be turned into light pink or some color. So I will do second coat there. Right now I am using light green, sap green and blue for my distance bushes. For lighter areas I am using light green. For middle tone I am using sap green, and for my darker tone I am using Persian blue plus sap green mix. And I am trying to make it irregular, and whatever space is left, so I am trying to add again clouds. I am not making bushes everywhere and same height. Somewhere it is less height, somewhere more height, then only it will look natural. Then when I am doing my ground part, I am using knife there, and for that I am using same palette, yellow, orange, red, light green, sap green, blue, all the colors are there. And while using knife, you should keep remember your palette should be full of color. And I will always prefer tube colors. I will not prefer bottle colors, because otherwise that effect will not come. So you can see I am using all the colors. Do overlapping, do 2-3 times, and down there are sunflower. So I am just trying to make placement of some flowers. All the flowers will not be same size. Some will be overlapped, some will be close to me, so that those will be bigger, some will be in distance, so those will be smaller. Those things I need to keep remember. And for sunflower I am using gamboge yellow, orange, and white also to give light effect. And I'm not mixing in my palette, I'm taking in my knife two colors, and automatically I am doing, while doing in flower it is mixing, so it will not give one smooth effect. There will be shades, there will be different shades. So if I will see if needed white or orange more, I will give second layer. I will see after trying how which type of effect it is giving. And some flowers will be in darker tones, some flowers will be lighter tones, so that you need to maintain. For darker tone I am using more orange and gambos yellow. For lighter tone I am using less orange and white and gambos yellow more. So you can see all the flowers will not be full flowers, some will be half, some will be hidden, like that. If you want thick layer, more thickness of your flower, you can do second coat also. Some people use impasto paste also for this effect, and they do color later on, but I am using directly colors. So yes, definitely it needs a lot of color, but I like this output. If you don't have colors, so, then this type of output will not come. So keep remember, first you should have big tubes or at least tube colors for this. Now whatever space is left, that I will fill with my green, blue, these type of colors with my knife only. Now last part is white to raise. For that I am using white, but in my brush there is no water. See how beautiful effect came. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot.